Hi, this is Srinivasan, the founder of GRAHAs VR.
Hi, this is Sriram, the co-founder of GRAHAs VR.
Welcome to GRAHAs VR podcast series. The time has been never so ripe for VR. With our monthly release, we take a deep dive into the world of virtual reality and extended reality. A lot of insights, a lot of interviews from eminent personalities, tech trends, and latest happenings with respect to VR. We are excited about this initiative. We hope we are able to add value to your time as a listeners and add more information to your way from us. Thank you.
We start streaming soon. Subscribe to GRAHAs VR in Apple Podcast, Spotify, Amazon Music, or your favorite listening platform.